Have you got a leaking flat roof like this? Well, today on Fix It with Fowler, I'm going to be carrying out a simple DIY repair that anyone can do for less than £40. The garage roof is mainly leaking along this far side here, with two areas in particular that are quite bad. One of these is above this gym equipment and the other is at the other end of the garage above the floating shelf. And when we have heavy rain, it drips through onto this equipment and onto things that are stored on the floating shelf. So the first thing we need to do is go and assess the roof. Before you go up onto the roof, here are some top tips for working at height. Only do so if you're confident and competent to do so, especially with the use of ladders. Once you're up on the roof itself, try not to walk anywhere near the edges, and if you do need to go near the edges, my advice would be to be on your hands and knees. That way you'll reduce the risk of stepping off the edge of the roof. The other thing which is quite good would be to have either someone with you or someone at home, and that way if there is an emergency, you've got someone there for you. Or if, like me, your wife is looking to cash in on your life insurance, get yourself up on that roof. The first thing you need to do is assess the roof. Now, if the roof is really badly damaged, then this product just won't cut it. However, if it's like mine where the felt is just lifting in places or you've got a few gaps, this product is ideal. So the first thing you need to do is clean the roof. Now, you only need to clean the places where you're going to apply the product, and to clean it, you just need to remove the dirt and debris. So you can use a brush, a hoover, or a leaf blower, anything you like, just to clean that off. Now, don't worry about damp areas like this, because this product can be used in damp areas, even in rain and water. So that's not going to be a problem. Before you start using this Evercryl one coat, there is a few precautions you need to take for yourself. You should always read the label on any product, and this says to make sure that you're wearing gloves and glasses to protect yourself from the product. The other thing I would recommend is getting some cheap brushes. That way when you've finished, you can just dispose of them. Alternatively, you could get some cleaner and clean them. Get your Evercryl one coat and give it a good mix for a few minutes before you get started. Using a brush, I start applying the product on the known leaking areas. I work my way along the edge of the roof and pay extra attention to where the felt joins together. If you run into any raised edges, make sure you really work the coating into those gaps. Once you've covered each section, use your brush to smooth everything out for a nice, thick, even layer. For areas like this where the felt is lifting or has lifted, try putting some one coat underneath this area first. You can then build this area up around it with a nice thick layer. I found leaving it for a few minutes and then coming back allows you to smooth this over, giving you a really good looking result. Not only that, with this raised area, it will help steer the rainwater away in the future. I now continue to work on the rest of the roof. My focus was fixing the known leaking areas first. Down this side you can see me working on. However, in this case, surprisingly, there was enough product to cover every single joint on the whole roof. Have you subscribed to my channel? Well, if not, why not? You are missing out on loads of great DIY content, all designed to give you the skills and knowledge to carry out jobs like this, but most importantly, to save you money. So what are you waiting for? Head over, hit that subscribe button, and if you're finding this video useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click the like button, and leave me a comment. That way it'll reach loads of other people. So that is the roof all complete, and I've used a 2.5 kilogram tin to complete this work. So in true British style, tonight it's given heavy rain, and that'll be a true test to this product and the roof. So we'll come back and look at the results in the morning. So it's been raining since last night and it's not stopped yet. So this will be a perfect test for the garage roof. So let's go inside and see if we've got any leaks. So I can't see any water whatsoever, but why don't I take you for a closer look? So along this area here, especially this area, was a really bad leak and it used to run down the wall and drip onto the gym equipment. And I can't see absolutely any water now in that area. And if I follow this along the garage now, all the way down this end, you can see that this, although it's got watermarks from previous leaks, has got no water whatsoever. But as a final test, let's get up on the roof and have a look and see how it's holding up. So as you can see, the roof is full of water and it's holding really well. There's absolutely no leaks. So this product is really worth its weight in gold. So I hope you like that video. Please don't forget, give this video a thumbs up, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great DIY videos.